VMware Certifications VMC on AWS NSX-T overview. As organizations continue to adopt hybrid and multi-cloud strategies, IT professionals with VMware certifications gain a competitive edge by validating their expertise in cloud computing, networking, and virtualization. VMware offers specialized certifications that focus on cloud infrastructure, workload mobility, networking, and security, ensuring that professionals have the skills to design, deploy, and manage VMware environments across on-premises, hybrid, and multi-cloud platforms. This guide provides an overview of 3 key VMware certifications. VMware Cloud Foundation VCF certification. VMware Cloud Foundation VCF is a fully integrated hybrid cloud platform that combines vSphere, vSAN, NSX-T, and VMware Aria Suite to provide a software-defined data center for private and hybrid cloud deployments. The VCF certification validates an individual's ability to deploy, manage, and optimize VMware Cloud Foundation environments in large-scale enterprise settings. Key skills covered in VCF certification: deployment and management of VMware Cloud Foundation across private and hybrid clouds. Automation and lifecycle management using VMware Aria Automation. vSAN storage optimization for high-performance cloud storage. Software-defined networking using NSX-T for microsegmentation, VPN, and security automation. Integration with public cloud providers such as VMware Cloud on AWS, Azure VMware Solution, and Google Cloud VMware Engine. Who should get VCF certified? Cloud architects designing software-defined data center environments. IT administrators managing VMware-based private and hybrid clouds. Professionals working with multi-cloud and workload mobility solutions. VMware Cloud on AWS VMC on AWS certification. VMware Cloud on AWS is a fully managed cloud service that allows businesses to run VMware workloads natively on AWS infrastructure. The VMC on AWS certification focuses on migrating, managing, and optimizing workloads in VMware Cloud on AWS, ensuring professionals can integrate on-premises vSphere environments with AWS native services. Key skills covered in VMC on AWS certification: architecting and deploying VMware Cloud on AWS for hybrid and multi-cloud strategies, workload migration and disaster recovery using VMware HCX and VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery, hybrid cloud networking with AWS Direct Connect and NSX-T, integrating VMware with AWS services such as S3, RDS, Lambda, and AI/ML tools, operational cost optimization and performance tuning in VMC on AWS environments. Who should get VMC on AWS certified? IT professionals responsible for cloud migration, workload mobility, and disaster recovery. Cloud architects integrating VMware environments with AWS services. VMware administrators managing hybrid cloud deployments using AWS infrastructure. VMware NSX-T certification. VMware NSX-T is a software-defined networking platform designed to provide network automation, microsegmentation, and multi-cloud connectivity. The NSX-T certification validates expertise in building, securing, and optimizing virtual networks across VMware and public cloud environments. Key skills covered in NSX-T certification: microsegmentation and network security to implement zero-trust architectures, distributed firewall and intrusion detection for cloud security, advanced routing and load balancing for optimized network performance, multi-cloud networking with NSX-T to connect workloads across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, network automation using APIs and VMware Aria Automation. Who should get NSX-T certified? Network engineers and cloud architects specializing in multi-cloud security and networking. Security professionals implementing zero-trust security architectures. VMware administrators managing software-defined networking in private and public cloud environments. Why get VMware certified? Industry recognition, as VMware certifications are globally recognized and demonstrate advanced expertise in cloud, networking, and security. Career advancement, with higher job prospects and competitive salaries in cloud computing roles. Multi-cloud and hybrid cloud readiness, allowing professionals to architect and manage workloads across AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and on-premises environments. Security and compliance expertise, validating best practices in cloud security, microsegmentation, and regulatory compliance. Final thoughts. VMware certifications in VCF, VMC on AWS, and NSX-T help IT professionals build advanced cloud computing, networking, and security expertise, making them highly valuable in today's multi-cloud and hybrid cloud landscapes. Whether focusing on infrastructure management, workload mobility, or network security, these certifications provide the knowledge and skills needed to design, deploy, and optimize VMware Cloud solutions for enterprises. In the next lesson, we will explore how to prepare for VMware certification exams, including recommended study materials, hands-on labs, and best practices for success. Let's continue.